Ditch the gosh darn pitch. I don't know how many times I have to say this. And there's other people that are saying it too. Apparently nobody's listening, except maybe you guys on eastonuniversity.com. Okay, the Easton Army is listening. Hopefully you're listening. If you're not listening, listen to me right now. Ditch the damn pitch. Stop with the, hey, if I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you our new product. We got a new product that's going to be able to speech to text, take your notes, put it in the patient's file, save you a bunch of time. If you have a few minutes, I'd love to walk you through it and show it to you. That is a sales pitch, right? I get no less than 27 outreaches a day. All y'all are lazy out there in sales land because you don't call me. Here's my phone number in sales land, 720-660-3202. You still won't call me. If you were to call me, but your lazy ass is putting it in an email, you keep telling me I can save you money, I can save you time, or you're insulting me. Your website is screwed up. Your marketing campaign is not optimized. Ditch all of that, guys. If you want to triple, quadruple your income in sales, ditch all of that and lead with an insight. Hey, Matt, Bob Adams over here at Main Street Marketing. Hey, wanted to reach out to you personally. There is something going on that everybody that owns a learning company is having to deal with. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it as we head into the new year. I'm on my mobile, 303-803-7372, right? When you ditch the pitch and lead with an insight, you're going to find that people will talk to you a lot more, okay? Even if you have that new product, right, that does speech to text for physicians, lead with an insight. Hey, there's something going on every physician's having to deal with, nobody's talking. Yeah, what is that? You guys are having to see a lot more patients. And even 3 years ago, the average patient rate that a physician would see was 7 to 8 patients a day. You guys are at 16 to 18. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. Here's what nobody's talking about. The margins, those little breaks in between patient visits, those have also compressed to where it used to be you could get a cup of coffee, you could grab something to eat, or you could catch up with your family in those few minutes. Now you have less than 4 to 5 minutes in between meetings. How are you dealing with that compression in time? Man, it really sucks. I have no time. I have to eat a power bar. I'm actually eating a power bar right now when I talk to you. Yeah, that's why I wanted to bring this up. You know, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but we actually have developed a new piece of software that could take your patient notes, and that 3 to 4 minutes that you have, if you're like most physicians, you're spending half of that time putting your notes from your last appointment in there. If we could buy you back those extra 2 minutes, hey, it's the difference between you being able to actually eat a little bit more than a power bar, hopefully, being able to go to the bathroom in between patient meetings, and keeping your sanity. Does it make sense to schedule a demo where I can show you how we can claw back, half of the time that you have in between meetings? If you start with an insight and then go into technology, you're going to do a lot better. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.